Crispito from 76 gas station. Crispito. What? That is good. Chicken. I honestly like it more than taquito. That is good. And it's crispy. That is good. Next, cheeseburger from 76. Basically, no lettuce, no tomato, nothing. Just cheese and burger. The bread is so soft. Look. We'll try. Nothing compared to Jack in the Box or Burger King. No, there's no way. No. That is not. I don't like it. Seriously, that is so soft, the bread. Look. Next. French fry. Or fry, I don't know. Oh, that looks crispy. That is good. Oh my god. That is very good. I should brought some sauce, but I forgot. I don't need it. This is good like this actually. $15 for everything. I mean, it's not bad. But the cheeseburger, no. It's so soft. There's no taste. Tasting nothing. Next, I will try the soup. Imagine soup from 76 gas station. Holy moly. Never ever try soup in gas station. This is the first time trying soup. Chili soup. If I can open it. I don't want to drop everything on my... Oh. Okay, that's kind of hot. So there is bean. As you see, there is bean. Oh, some other ingredient. There's a lot of chili. What's a cheese and a chili bean soup from 76. And the taste is so good, actually. So good. That is delicious. That is good. Oh my god. I recommend this. Yes, 100%. So good. There's onion, there's tomato. It's really good. I like it. Pretty hot. The only thing that I didn't like is the cheeseburger. It was so soft, and I do not recommend the cheeseburger like this because they cover the cheeseburger. The bread become sponge. It's so soft. I don't like it. That's good. Oh my god. Good. This is something random. The hell? Hard like rock. Gas station soup. If you never had it, go get it. It's so good. It's not spicy. Put the fry inside the soup. Okay, that is good. It's good. Yummy. Oh my God, that was good. I still have to finish the cheeseburger because I promise I always finish my food unless it is not edible. But that thing is edible, but it's so soft. That doesn't taste like cheeseburger. What is that? Let me taste the meat. Oh. The way they make this is wrong. Separate the burger from the bread. Put the bread one side, put the burger one side. If somebody wanted, just put it inside the bread, crispy bread. Put cheese on it. Look. What the hell is that? Look like nobody gonna eat this. No, I'm not gonna finish it. Sorry. That is wrong. I will never eat this again. Look. Wrong is wrong, you know. But the rest was amazing. Especially the fry and that soup was so good. And Crispito, yes. Thank you so much. I will see you next time with another video. Bye.